Welcome back to Lesson 1. Here we'll continue to use our simple interest rate formula, but this time we'll be solving for either T, time, R, the interest rate, or P, the principal. So example 1. Frances invested $5,000 at a 5% simple interest rate. If she wants to wait until she has earned $1,000 in interest, how many years will she have to wait? So it asks for how many years, means we're looking for our T value. So we'll start by writing out the formula and then plugging in the values we know. Now I stands for the amount of interest earned. It tells us right here we have $1,000 in interest. P is the initial amount that's invested, which we see here is $5,000. R is the interest rate, 5%. And we do need to change that to a decimal. So dividing that by 100, I get 0.05. And T will leave as T because that's what we're looking for. So to start, we will multiply these two values together. So 5,000 times 0.05 is 250. Now to isolate T, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 250 now. So that cancels, and we get that T is equal to 4. So we can say that she will have to wait 4 years. Example 2. What amount of money will Hank have to invest at a simple interest rate of 2.5% in order to earn $900 in interest after 8 years? So if we're looking for the amount of money I'll have to invest, means we're looking for P. So I'll write out the formula. I'll fill in I to be $900. P, I'll leave blank because we don't know what that is. R, changed to a decimal, is 0.025. And T is 8. Now multiplying 8 by 0.025 gives us 0.2. Now just like the last example, in order to isolate P, we need to divide both sides by 0.2. So working that on the calculator, we end up getting that P equals 4,500. So Hank will have to invest $4,500. And for the last example, if Daniel invests $7,500 and wants to earn $1,500 after 5 years, what simple interest rate will he need in order to do this? So we're looking for R this time. So the amount of interest is $1,500. The initial amount invested was $7,500. R we don't know, and T is 5. Multiplying these two together, get 37,500. Now we need to divide both sides of the equation by that value. So that cancels, and we get R is equal to 0.04. Now usually we're given a percent, and we have to change it to a decimal. In order to do that, we divide by 100. But here I have the decimal, and I want to change it to a percent. So I'm going to work backwards. Instead of dividing by 100, I'm going to multiply by 100. And when I do that, I get 4. So we say that Daniel will need to invest his money at a 4% interest rate.